Hello everybody and welcome back to BrevCode. In this video, we'll be looking at logical operators today in Python. So as there will not be any explanations on this presentation, but I'll show you everything about logical operators and everything you need to know. If this is your first time here on To Know How to Code, like this video now and subscribe right now. I need 10,000 subscribers, and also we'll be using everything we did in the previous tutorials. If you want to watch the previous tutorials, the playlist link is in this video's description box below. So let's get coding. Now open up idle on your computer. And now here's an example of logical operators. So first you need to do it with a variable. So I just call this variable x, and you can give a number to it. So I just give it 100 and y equals 50. And now we can also check if x is greater than y. So if x is greater than y, it will say true. But if you try to say x is less than y, it will say false. Or if you just reverse it like this, and if you also reverse it like this, it will say true. So the variables can be called whatever you want. You can also add floats as well. So let's say we can give a variable. Let's say pears equals the 26 and apples equals 24. And also we can also check if they are so if it's true or false. So if pears is greater than apples, it will return true, and pears is greater than apples, true. But then if pears is less than apples, it will print false. And also you can do floats like I said previously in, let's say instead, let's say Python equals 312 and PHP equals 32. And also we do it floats as well. So let's say Java equals 26.2, and let's say JavaScript equals 52.2. And also say Python and PHP true. We can also say Java is greater than JavaScript, that is false. So if we say Java is less than JavaScript, it's true. So will be, and also I also show you how to make an addition program. So I'm gonna create a new window. The shortcut is Control N if you're on Windows, and now we're going to save the file, and call this addition program. And now for this, I'll just put comments for it to make, for this to be easier for you guys to understand. So such as like let's say store input numbers, and with this we're going to create some variables like an input for people to enter the numbers. Let's say num1 equals input. Let's say enter first number. Also num2 equals enter the second number. And the final number, so enter, and we'll enter the third number. And now we want to start the addition program, and one thing to know that the third number will subtract. So let's say sum, so let's say sum equals, I'm gonna use float for num1, which will add with 2 and will subtract num3. And now we want to print out the sum. And now let's say the sum of 0, 0, and 1 and 3 is 2. And now we want to format this. So what this format is, it's actually a function that comes defined with Python by default. So let's say, so we're gonna format num1, num2, num3, and format the sum. And now save that. We'll try to run this. So we have to run module. So there's a shortcut that F5, so I'll use F5 for this. And now let's say 16, 11, and 24. And there, well, so I'll just remove this is 3. So let's rerun this, and so open the other Python window, say, so this can also be a float. Let's say 6.1, 1.4, 9.5, and there we go. Now here are some challenges for you to do all by yourself. You have to make a program that includes logical operators, but they have to be variables. It must have floats or integers, and make an addition program as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing right now and enabling notifications. Like the video right now, and any questions, suggestions, or any feedback, leave it in the comment section below right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, subscribe now. Help me reach 10,000 subscribers. Subscribe to me right now. The link is in the description. Just click the subscribe button right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.